Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. Maayong buntag sa tanan. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning and mamahaw usa ko. I'm gonna take my breakfast this morning. My breakfast is only bread. Bread, egg, star margarine. Coffee of course. This is coffee. This is only my breakfast for today. It's my day off because it's a holiday. Actually, not my day off. Wala ko'y office karon just because it's a legal holiday. Araw ng kagitingan or the day of valor. Valor or valor. Araw ng kagitingan. Walay trabaho today but still in the office, reporting in the office kay magpalimpyo ko sa aircon namo sa office. Thank you everyone. Thank you for always following me and watching me. Continue to likes and to shares my video clips, to follow my Facebook Reels, and even to my YouTube channel. God bless everyone.